In this video, we're going to sketch the level curve of this function given the points 3 and negative 1. So, as always, step 1, you want to plug the points into the function. So you have f of x and y, plug the points 3 plus negative 1 squared minus 3. You have 3 plus 1 minus 3, which gives you square root of 1, which is 1. So 1. Step 2, set function to equal value of this. So 1 is equal to square root of x plus y squared minus 3. Step 3, solve for y. So to do that, you need to multiply by the square value on both sides. In order to get rid of the square root, you have 1 equal x plus y squared minus 3, because 1 squared is 1. Now you can isolate y squared, so add 3 both sides and add x on both sides. So y squared is equal to x. No, this would not be an add x, it would be a subtract x on both sides. It will be negative x plus 4. Okay? Now, we have y squared here. You want to recall that the equation for a parabola is y equals x squared, correct? But here we have something along the lines of negative x equals y squared. Therefore, instead of having a parabola that goes this way, we're gonna have a parabola that goes either left or right, okay? So, and the formal equation of a parabola is y minus k squared minus equals 4a times x minus h. All right? And depending on what value this is, if it's a positive or a negative number, the parabola will open left or right. So if it's a positive, say this is 4, right? The parabola will open to the left. If it's a negative, however, a negative 4, it will open to the right. Okay, now let's turn this equation into this form. So you have y minus k squared equals 4a x minus h. Now, what you are going to do is plug in the vertex, which is 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Vertex is here. And for the next points, you are going to use the point 3 to the negative 1. So this point, okay? So find 3, x is 3, y is negative 1. And you know that if there's a point here, there needs to be a point here because it's mirrored. Therefore, your parabola will look something like this. And there you go.